Hey guys, welcome back to the More Kirby Superstar Ultra. Last time we did Helper to Hero, I think it's called. This time we're doing the True Arena. So the True Arena has 10 fights. 4 of them are really tough fights. And the final 4 will always be the same. So, we're starting with Kracko Jr.'s Revenge. And my partner is almost already dead. You don't have any maximum tomatoes, as you see. You only have, apples. So you have to be careful. So now it's Kracko's Revenge. You do not want to get hit too much at all. I never actually beated this, because I always had a really hard time with it. So, I'll try to finish it this time. We have the True Mid-Boss All-Star. So that was TikTok Clock, I believe, and this is like a giant wheelie thing. So, this is probably one of the hardest, mid-bosses, in my opinion. And last we have the Fire Lion thing. And he's done it. I literally just got hit. Well, that's not gonna be good. Now we have Wispy Wood's Revenge. Or Wispy's Revenge. You want to try to not get hit till the final 4. Because the final 4 is really tough. We have fought all the bosses, so there's nothing new. Though, I guess the final boss is sort of original. You'll see later. My partner's almost dead again. I'll probably have 2 parts for this. Because I probably won't be able to finish the last 4 in this run. If I do, that will be surprising. So, I'm gonna make a partner. So now it's Lolo and Lolo's Revenge. So, this is the hardest game. It has like 7 stars. I'm not sure if you saw, but each game has a ranking based on its stars. And Spring Breeze is 1, I think. China Blade is 2 or 3. So it's Kabulu or whatever it is. I don't know its name, but you do not have a partner and you will not have a partner after this, so you might want to make sure he's first, because then you could just make a partner after. But if he's last, it might be bad because you might not get the partner you want. But it'll last before the final four. So just be careful, and you should win. The furthest I got was into the third boss. So I'm gonna stop the recording here in case if I have to come back here. So see you guys next time.